This quick guide answers the question, how to buy shares of Evolent Health Inc. Evolent Health provides healthcare technology and population health services. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker EVH, and this video is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. To complete this purchase, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as the demonstration platform. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an ID document and add funds before placing any trades. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker EVH to find the company listing. Make sure the result shows Evolent Health Inc. on NASDAQ to select the correct stock. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the price chart. Confirm the company name and the EVH ticker match the Evolent Health Inc. listing before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading reopens, and if funds are insufficient, eToro will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. Your Evolent Health position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. Check the description below for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform.